The 2025 Maruti Suzuki comes as a strong contender in the automotive market, offering a refined blend of style, efficiency, and practicality. Known for producing reliable and affordable vehicles, Maruti Suzuki has elevated its game in 2025 by introducing advanced features, improved design elements, and enhanced performance to meet the needs of modern drivers. The new model stands out with a fresh exterior design, incorporating sleeker lines, a bolder front fascia, and refined aerodynamic elements. Its LED headlights and signature grille design give it a premium appearance, while the alloy wheels and sportier stance add to its dynamic personality. The color options have also been expanded, giving customers more freedom to choose a look that suits their taste. Inside, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki offers a more comfortable and technology-focused cabin. Premium quality materials and soft-touch finishes enhance the overall feel, while ergonomic seating ensures a pleasant driving experience even on long trips. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen display, supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless smartphone integration. Multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging capability, and an advanced audio system cater to the entertainment needs of tech-savvy passengers. Safety has also been prioritized, with features like multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems becoming standard in most variants. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki offers efficient yet capable engine options. Customers can choose between a refined petrol engine, a responsive diesel unit, and even a hybrid variant for those who prioritize fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness. The engines are tuned to deliver smooth acceleration and consistent performance while maintaining excellent fuel economy, one of the brand's strongest selling points. Transmission options include both manual and automatic, catering to diverse driving preferences. The ride quality has been improved with better suspension tuning, offering a balance between comfort and handling stability. Whether navigating city traffic or cruising on highways, the 2025 model delivers a composed and enjoyable drive. In terms of practicality, Maruti Suzuki continues to impress with a spacious interior and ample boot space. Clever storage compartments are strategically placed around the cabin, making it easy to organize personal items. The rear seats can be folded to further increase cargo capacity, making the vehicle suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. The brand's focus on affordability ensures that despite the modern features and improvements, the 2025 model remains competitively priced within its segment. Maruti Suzuki has also embraced sustainability by introducing more fuel-efficient engines, lightweight construction materials, and enhanced aerodynamics to reduce emissions. The hybrid model, in particular, reflects the company's commitment to greener mobility solutions, without compromising on performance or driving pleasure. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki presents itself as a well-rounded package for a wide range of customers. It offers stylish looks, a comfortable and feature-rich interior, reliable performance, excellent fuel economy, and strong safety credentials. By combining these qualities with an affordable price tag and low maintenance costs, Maruti Suzuki has ensured that its 2025 model will appeal to both loyal fans and new buyers looking for a dependable, modern, and economical car. This latest offering reinforces the brand's position as one of the most trusted names in the automotive industry.